Bill, can you talk a little bit about the nurse personality and how it conflicts with this pandemic?
Sure. Among the nurses that I've worked with, there have been some very consistent threads in reference to personality. One of those is the need for information and the need to connect all the dots as we move toward a positive outcome. Also, the need to be in control, to be in charge, and that is understandable, the number of responsibilities that nurses have in hospitals. So all of that, the need to be in charge, the need to have information, to try to troubleshoot and stay ahead of things that might change, that completely conflicts with a pandemic. In a pandemic, the world shifts around you. The information changes from one day to the next. So you're kind of unsteady the whole time, and nurses are not accustomed to that, in that they want a situation that they can't control. And that is certainly understandable.